Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the text you want linked. Now insert the destination. First, copy the full URL with protocol, HTTP or HTTPS, so browsers resolve it. Next, choose link behavior. Open in the same tab or new tab using target equals blank, pick rel equals newpener when opening new tabs. Then open the editor you'll use, CMS Visual Editor or Code View, and locate the exact text you'll convert into a link. Once done, you're ready to wrap that text with an anchor element and set attributes. Now construct the actual link. Type a href equals your URL, your text slash around the chosen words, or use the editor's link tool to paste the URL. Add a title attribute to explain purpose. This helps accessibility and search. If opening a new tab, include target equals blank plus rel equals newpener or rel equals norfurer to prevent tab perf and security issues. Also escape special characters in URLs and test the link immediately so you catch typos or redirects before publishing. Finish by styling and validating. Use CSS to set color, hover effects, and a visible focus outline so keyboard users can navigate. Ensure visited state is intuitive. Then test the link in several browsers and on mobile. Make sure it resolves and respects target behavior. If something breaks, check for common issues: missing protocol, stray spaces, or HTML escaping errors. If the console shows mixed content or 404, correct the URL or serve over HTTPS and retest. This will usually fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.